Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by rinsing to remove loose debris. This prevents scratching when you scrub. Next, choose a denture soak, commercial cleaner for stains, or a 1 white vinegar and warm water soak for mineral buildup, and submerge for 15 to 30 minutes to loosen stains. While soaking, line the sink with a towel to protect dentures from chips, and gather a soft denture brush, non-abrasive toothpaste or paste, and a bowl. Once soaked, you're ready to move to active cleaning. With dentures damp from the soak, you'll work section by section. Apply a small amount of non-abrasive denture paste or a baking soda paste to the stained zones and scrub gently with a soft brush using circular motions. You target the stain's porous microscopic surface to lift pigments without abrading acrylic. For heavy stains, repeat soak then scrub. For internal clasps, use an interdental brush. Make sure to avoid household toothpaste, bleach, or hot water. Once cleaned, rinse your dentures thoroughly under running water to remove residue, then dry and hold them up to bright light to inspect for missed areas. Repeat localized soak and gentle scrubbing as needed. Store overnight in manufacturer-recommended denture solution. Never leave acrylic to dry, or use plain water if specified. If stains persist after repeated home treatments, you may need a professional ultrasonic cleaning or polishing from your dentist, so make an appointment. If you notice surface pitting or odor, stop home treatments and seek care.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.